Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm taking you through how I edit my videos on iMovie. Not the entire process, right? Just two segments because I've received questions on these segments. So I'm showing you how I do the picture-in-picture effect in my videos and how I color correct my videos, and all of these will be done on iMovie. So if this is what you're interested in, then keep on watching. Hey guys, and welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for giving it a thumbs up. I appreciate you. If you're a visitor, please, after watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm sure you love it already. All right, my name is Uchechi and I'm a digital marketing consultant and content creator, and on this channel I show content creators and business owners how to use Instagram better for their businesses, and also share content creation tips. Now in today's video, I'm showing you how I do the picture-in-picture effect in my video. In my last YouTube video, I had that video in video effect, which is the picture-in-picture effect but with videos, and I got DMs and comments asking how I did that. I tried to explain in the comment section, but it wasn't making sense. It really wasn't. So I was like, you know what, a video would do this best, and so I'll record a video. So I would show you my screen and just take you through the entire process. I would edit that video, right, and just show you how I did it and show you the final result, well, which you already saw in last week's video, in the video last 2 weeks, but yeah. All right, so let's go over to my laptop and I'll screen record as usual and show you the entire process. Okay, all right. So like I said, I'm showing you two things in this video. One is the picture-in-picture effect, which is this YouTube video where I talked about my favorite apps for content creation, and this day and time, and then you see choose a destination. Or I'm also going to show you how I color correct my videos. So this is what the original video looked like. I don't know if you can notice the difference. This original video looks yellowish, orangish kind of thing, and I don't like my videos looking this way. My videos are all my pictures, so I like cold tones or cool tones over warm tones. So I'm going to go over into iMovie. So this is what I am working with. I have already color corrected the video, but let me reset everything. I have done that. Let me reset so that I can color correct with you, right? Yeah, so I have reset everything. So this is the original video that I recorded, right? And the other one is a screen recording where I showed you everything about Canva's content planner or content planner and scheduler, right? So you're going to import the videos that you want to layer or the picture you want to layer. So this is already imported into my project media, and I'll take this and layer over where I want it to start. So where does this start? Here. Content creation. Okay, so let's say the screen recording starts here. I'm going to mute this because the screen recording itself has sound, right? So if you leave it this way, this is the job is not done. Let me show you what I mean. The last YouTube video where I talked about my favorite apps for content creation, I mentioned that Canva has a new feature, which is, so as you can see, if you just layer it and leave it like that, then nothing happens. The one that you've put on top just overshadows the one underneath. But to make both of them play at once, which is a picture-in-picture effect, what you would do is come to the top here where my mouse is or my arrow is, to the video overlay settings. So when you click on it, you see that there are different options. So the default setting is cutaway, which is what we have here. But if you click on the drop down, you would see cutaway, green and blue screen, split screen, and picture-in-picture. Picture-in-picture is what I am working with. However, if I wanted a video to show through another video, right? So for instance, if I had text that I wanted to be transparent on the video, I would use the green or blue screen effect. If I wanted both videos to be side by side, I would use the split screen. But because I want the video to be in the video but in a corner, I'm going to use the picture-in-picture effect. So once you click on that, it automatically takes the one that you've put on top as the small one. But this is not what I want, because for me, my main video is a screen recording, right? So what I'm going to do is, what you would do is come to the top here where you have dissolve, click on the drop down and go to swap. So as you can see, that has swapped, and you can now drag and reposition wherever you want. So I'm going to reposition it here, because this other part of the screen recording is the main part of the video, but here I know that my own video is not blocking anything essential. Now typically I would change this transition time from 0.5 seconds to 0 seconds, but since I'm showing you what it looks like, I'm going to leave this at 0.5 seconds. The original one that was on YouTube was 0 seconds, but this is 0.5 seconds. So I'll show you why I changed to 0 seconds. I'll leave this at 0.5 seconds and just show you the end result, and we can compare. Now, so you will do this for every layer that you want to have the picture-in-picture effect, right? So if this was a longer video and this was shorter, or it was cut into bits, for instance, okay, you know what, let me do that. Let me cut into bits, right? And cut here and split here. So let me delete this part. So I have 3 different videos that I have layered, right? So now, because I have already done the effect before cutting, everything is already in picture mode. But if these were 3 different videos, I would have to do the same thing for this one and do the same thing for this one. Now I can do this individually, so I can come here, switch the overlay settings, do the whole picture-in-picture, do the swap, do the transition, come here and do the same thing. Or I can come here and right click on copy, come to this other ones, press my command key. I'm not sure what it will be. I'm not sure what key that will be for non-Mac users, but if you're using a Mac, you press your command key, you go to edit at the top, you go to paste adjustments, and then you go to video overlay settings. So what this does is that it will copy everything, the video overlay settings that you have done here, and paste it to these 2 videos. Now this can be done for any editing or any edits that you have made to your video, whether it's color correction or cropping, or yeah, just basically any edit that you have done to a part of the video that you want to duplicate to other parts without having to do it one by one. All you need to do is click on that one that you have already corrected, right click, go to copy, go to edit, you would see paste adjustments. You can either do all, or you look for the particular edit that you want to copy and click on it and just, you know, paste it to that edit. Now for the color correcting bit, right, so for my color correction, what I do is, you know what, let me do it with this one that doesn't have any video overlay setting. So this is original, it's looking orangish, yellowish, warm. So I'm going to click on the video and come to this part where my arrow is, which is color correction. This is the color correction tool. Now the color correction on iMovie is very basic, it's simple, it's not as complex as the one on Final Cut Pro, right? So this is pretty easy. These are basically the only color correction tools here. So what I would do to make the tone cool instead of warm is come to this last one and adjust the temperature. So I'll just slide this slightly till you can see it's already changed. So if I take it all the way, it becomes very blue. If I take it all the way here, it becomes very yellow. So just slide till you are comfortable with what it is or what you have, and you can see this has been sorted out. So I'm going to import this, right? So as you can see, I left this transition here at 0.5 seconds for all of them. So I'm going to import it this way so you can see why I changed mine to 0 seconds instead of leaving at 0.5 seconds. So now the video has finished exporting. Now let me show you what it looks like. Remember that the transition time for the video overlay settings was left at 0.5 seconds compared to the final video. So let me show you why I take mine to 0 seconds instead of leaving it at the default setting 0.5 seconds. Let's see. Record my screen and show you so you see what it looks like. Okay, let's jump right in. Now once you open Canva content so you see that drag to the corner. For the first video it's fine, but imagine if you had about 4, 5 or more videos with that video overlay settings and you left the transition time at 0.5 seconds. Imagine that drag happening every time it's switching to the next video. Let me show you. Remember I cut the screen recording to 3, right? So, and I left all 3 at 0.5 seconds. Let's see what that looks like. It's not one of those platforms. I'm not sure why, seeing as Facebook is here, but maybe in future updates. Did you see that? It's just unprofessional, in my opinion. So if you want to leave the first one at 0.5 seconds, maybe the first and the last, so that it's a drag down or drag in and drag out, that's fine. But leaving all videos, leaving a transition for all videos with the video overlay settings at 0.5 seconds, unprofessional. Now let's compare to the final one, which is one I posted on YouTube that I left or that I took to 0 seconds. But I'll just record my screen and show you so you see what it looks like. Okay, let's jump right in. Now once you open, so you see it's smooth, it's just smooth, and that's the setting I prefer. So you decide, right, if you want that drag to be, if you want that visible drag anytime you have that picture-in-picture effect in your videos, or if you want it as smooth. So if you want it as smooth as mine is, then you can take yours down to 0 seconds. But if you're fine with that drag down or up or wherever you've positioned the other video, the corner video, then you can leave yours at 0.5 seconds. And that's it, guys. That's how I edit my videos with the picture-in-picture effect, and that is also how I color correct my videos. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me down below. If you have more questions, feel free to ask your questions and I would respond to them, and feel free to share this video. Do not forget to subscribe because I make more videos like this on content creation and Instagram tips. Also, you would want to subscribe because you don't want to miss my video next week. Do I want to tell you what it is? No, but it's a very important part of Instagram that all business owners and content creators or anyone using Instagram as part of their business should take into consideration. All right, guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Where is my screen record? What? Let me see. You know what? Let me start this screen recording thing again.